Hello, hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. What about you?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear.
Yes. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am.
Great. And what you're doing today?
Yes, actually, right now in I with my family some bank's requirements. Actually, one of
Hmm.
my niece is required to Aadhaar verification. Then I
Okay.
came to bank. Then I'm same time I'm outside the bank taking class.
Okay. Great. So where are you from?
Yes, actually I'm from Faridabad,
Hmm.
which is nearest to Delhi NCR. And where are you from?
Yes, I'm from Maharashtra.
Okay, Mumbai.
Yes.
Like,
Yes. And what do you do?
yeah, I'm chartered accountant by profession,
Mm-hmm.
and
Okay.
I'm doing job since
Okay.
two
You're
years
working.
as a corporate.
Okay. All right. And can you tell me something more about yourself? Because this is our
Yes,
very
yes,
first session.
yes,
Yes.
yes, yes.
Hmm.
As I said you earlier, I'm chartered accountant,
Hmm.
and in about my family, I have two siblings, which
Hmm.
both are married, and in about my parents, my father is no more. My mother is a homemaker,
Okay.
and
Hmm.
we have a nuclear family, and we can say.
Yes. Okay.
And in about my hobbies, I love dance, I love to sing, and I so passionate if anything which is I can upskill myself, then I
Okay.
add on my
Mm-hmm.
curriculum.
Okay,
That's all
great.
about me.
Okay, good. Good to know about you. So basically, we are done. This is our very first session. So I'll just brief
Yes, yes,
about myself and then
yes,
we'll
yes,
start.
sure, sure.
Yeah, so as you know, my name is Rashmi and I'm from Maharashtra, but I've done my master's in English literature and I've been teaching for 8 to 9 years now because I've done my TEFL certification. So I've been teaching online for 4 years. And prior to that, I was working in school. And what I like to
Okay,
do is travel because traveling and exploring is my hobby. So that's in
okay,
short about me. Okay. I
okay,
wanted to
okay.
know that how many sessions have you taken so far?
Yes, actually, I have taken at least I guess 12 session,
12
which
sessions.
there might be two or three I miss, and
Okay.
I have taken effectively 12 session.
12 sessions. Okay. So I wanted to know like what are you struggling with in English and why do you think that English is important for you?
Yes, actually, I have procrastinated so long for learning English because
Hmm.
of my. Actually, I was struggling in the my CA journey because I have
Okay.
to clear such exam, as well as my financial responsibilities also on me because my father is no more. Then I
Hmm.
have to do for survival things. I have to earn such money along with my
Yes.
study.
Hmm.
Then both things I was doing together, and that time I couldn't devote my time to English. But once I
Okay.
come into the corporate and I
Hmm.
completed my CA 2022,
Hmm.
since then in the in today's in first job I was to learn the new things, then I couldn't time to English. But once I
Yes.
was moved to another job, then I feel I should be work on
Hmm.
English because without English I can't go at as a leadership role.
Yeah,
That's
that's right.
why, yes, I struggle a lot many times. I escape myself in many situations.
Hmm.
But
Okay.
this the organization where I was working. My
Hmm.
designation is manager. So I, even if I not try to chase with someone, but other on the other side, others people's chase with me related to some approvals, related to
Chase. Why
chase
they're
like
chasing you?
because of they are require some approvals and they are require some audit purpose,
Hmm.
like so being a financial head, they ask
Okay.
me, Nitin, please do these things, our payment is stuck, auditor is asking these things, so they
Hmm.
connect with me or they speaks in English. Majority
Okay.
people our ADI all the time speaks in English because they are from Mumbai
Hmm.
and I am from Delhi. So
Yeah.
they have the another language also regional, but they speak in English.
Hmm.
and so that's why I can't escape too long.
Okay.
That's
All
why I've
right.
taken.
So basically, these are your requirements where you need to
Yes,
understand and learn the language fluently, right?
right, right.
Okay, great. So today, first we will start our activity with jumbled sentences, and you
Okay,
can see in the chat box. Okay. So
right.
you have to arrange those sentences accurately in the. You have to tell me orally. I mean, that's what it means.
Okay.
Okay. So let me share the first sentence. Yeah. Is it? Just
Yes, yes.
ignore.
You
Okay.
have
Just
sent
ignore.
the dog Rahul with his pet playing
No, just
enjoy.
ignore that one. I think there's something else that has come.
Yes, yes. You have sent some
Yeah, it came in the form of the
long para.
passage.
I think.
Yeah, it got copied in form of the paragraph. Okay, read the first one.
This Sunday
Hmm.
having I picnic and I have to
Hmm.
use this sentence where
Yes, you
anywhere
have
should
to.
be this sentence.
Yes, you have to make the sentence accurately, uh, because this is jumbled sentence. So you
Oh,
have to form the sentence by putting the words in the correct order.
okay, okay. Then I would say tomorrow is a Sunday
No,
and
you don't
this
have to add any words there. Just place the words accurately. Whatever
okay,
is
okay,
given there, so that words only you have to arrange accurately.
okay.
Hmm.
This Sunday I
Hmm.
and this Sunday I having picnic.
Are you sure that is the correct sentence?
Yes.
It should be in this way. I am
Yes,
having a
yes.
picnic.
I was thinking I should use
Yes.
I am
So
having
the sentence should start
I
with
having a picnic this Sunday.
correct.
Okay.
Let's do the next one now. 1 minute. Yeah.
Delicious cooks my mother food. Foods cooks food food cooks
Hmm.
delicious. My mother cooks food delicious.
It should be delicious food. Your sentence started right, but my mother cooks delicious food.
Yes. Food
Cooks
is
delicious
food
food.
should
Yes. So food should come in the end.
end.
Okay.
Okay.
Next one.
We had we had anniversary.
That is right. Next one.
Arrested by three policemen. He was arrested by the the was the was arrested by a thief.
Are you sure? Think properly.
Mm,
Who was
okay,
arrested?
okay. Sorry. Police was arrested. No, sorry. Thief was arrested by police. A
A
thief. A
policeman.
thief. A thief was arrested by a police. Okay,
The
sorry.
thief.
The thief was arrested by a police.
We cannot say a thief. It should be the thief because it's a definite article. Okay, we
Okay,
are talking
okay,
about a specific thief. And whatever thief, whoever thief was arrested, that thief is used in a with a definite article and not with an indefinite article. Okay, so
okay.
when you talk about specific things, people, you should use the. You
Okay,
should
once
use
we
the.
are speaking policeman, then why we use a rather than the?
A policeman, because we are not the policeman only we use. No, we don't say a policeman. The policeman
Okay,
caught the thief.
okay,
Okay, but when see now here we are talking about a specific thief. There are lots of thieves, but the policeman caught a specific thief. That's why we have used the. But if there were many of them, then we would have said a thief, isn't it? If there
okay.
were a group of 10 people, then we would have said a thief because one of them was caught. Okay, and out of
Okay.
lots of policemen, then we would say a policeman came towards the house. isn't it? So
Okay.
if we are talking about specific policeman, then I will say the.
Okay. So is there
It was
any trick which we can take care of articles like a and the? Any
yes,
simple trick which we can memorize?
yes. I will tell you. I will teach you articles also. So basically, now there are two types of articles. One is definite, and one is indefinite.
Indefinite.
Yes. So in indefinite articles, there is a and an, which can also be used with only singular nouns.
Okay.
But
Like
the
a policeman.
yes, but if it is definite article, the is a definite article. Okay, and it
Right.
should be used with plurals.
Okay.
Articles. And it should be used with plural and sometimes singular as well.
Sometimes singular.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay. How can we recognize that sometimes we use this singular or we are using the or sometimes
Yes.
we are using the
Yes, so I
in
will tell you
plural?
how we can find out the and now most of the times when we are talking about the should be used in following situations. The should be used with previously mentioned sentences. Okay, like for
Okay.
example, if I say I saw a bag yesterday, the bag is blue in color. Wait, let me write that.
I saw a
Read this
bag.
sentence.
I saw a bag yesterday was blue in color.
Hmm.
Okay, a
Now
bag.
here, what is missing there?
Bag.
The bag is
Okay,
blue in color. It should
okay,
be
okay.
the
The
bag
bag, the bag,
is blue.
blue in color.
Okay. Now, when I talk about these two sentences, I saw a bag. The
I
bag
saw.
is blue in color. There are two sentences. If this word bag is repeated there, then for the second sentence we have to use the. Are you
Okay,
getting me?
okay.
There are many different types of sentences. Like I say, uh, a boy was standing near the bank. The boy went in the ATM. Okay, now read this.
A boy was standing near bank. The boy went in the ATM.
Now here the boy is repeated. So in the second sentence we are going to use the. We are
Okay,
going to use the.
okay,
So
okay,
whenever
okay. Right, right, right.
what is the first issue is the nouns that are previously mentioned, and if it is repeated in the second sentence, then what we will do, we will use the.
Okay, like
If the
actually.
noun is written in the first sentence and if it is repeated in the second sentence, then for the second sentence we will use the. Okay, this is
Okay,
the first rule.
yes, we can use the one word like the monkey. A monkey was standing near temple. The
Yeah,
monkey went in the in shop.
in the shop, yeah, you can use that. This is how it
Okay.
should be recognized. Now the second use of the is superlatives. Do you know what superlatives are?
Superlative. No,
The
I
third
don't know.
form, the third form, fast, faster, fastest, good,
Okay.
better, best, the last form, that is called as superlatives. Comparative superlatives. So comparative is the second form and superlative is the third form. Okay,
Okay.
so can you tell me some superlatives?
Yes, yes. Good, better, best.
Hmm?
Good, better,
It
best.
is called degrees of comparison.
Okay, okay.
Degrees
Ach-
of
Degree
comparison.
of comparison.
So let's first do two three examples of comparatives, degrees of comparisons. So positive, comparative, and superlative. There are three forms. Positive. Wait 1 minute. Degrees of comparison. There are three forms. First is positive, first form. Second form is
Okay.
comparatives. Third form is superlatives.
Superlative.
Okay. So when I
Right.
talk about superlatives, that is used before, after the.
Before,
Okay,
after.
Before, sorry, the is used before the superlatives. The is used before the
before
superlatives.
the
Now,
superlative.
big, big, positive, bigger, comparative, biggest, superlative. Are
So
you
we will
getting?
use the biggest.
Yes. So any superlative word is there. Before that, we use
Okay,
the
okay,
blackest, the biggest, the cleanest. Any word that is ending with est. Any
okay.
word that is ending with est and it is superlative. So we will use the before that. Let me give you some examples. So the first example is she is the fastest runner on the team. She is the
Yes.
fastest runner on the team. Where is the
She's
superlative here?
she's the fastest is the superlative.
So what we have used before fastest? The.
Fastest
Are you getting it?
fast. Yes, yes. No, you were saying
Yes.
that ki, what is the superlative here?
We always use the before superlative. This is the
Yes,
second
yes.
rule.
Because
Okay.
fastest is the superlative and we are using the before the fastest.
Correct. So whenever you see any superlative, you should use the before that. That is called definite article.
Okay. We
Okay.
have also used the team. So in that cases, what is
The
the
team.
reason?
Now see, she is the fastest because now let me give you both the examples. Let me explain you both. So she is the fastest. The fastest means I'm talking about a specific girl. Among 10 people, she is the fastest. That's why I've used the before the superlative. On the team,
Okay.
I'm talking about a specific team. Okay, there are
Okay.
10 teams out of that one team, out of which that girl is participating. So I have used the for both of them. So team is a plural, and I have told you that the is used with plural forms,
Okay. Okay.
isn't
You
it?
have
Not
yes,
singular.
yes,
Yes.
yes,
So
yes,
did you understand that?
yes, yes.
Yes, this
Okay.
is how it works. Let me give you two more examples for superlatives. She scored the least marks in math. She scored the least
She
marks in maths.
scored the least marks in the maths.
What is the superlative form here?
Superlative is here least,
Least.
least,
Okay, less, lesser, least.
less, lesser, least.
Okay, so that's why we have used the.
Okay.
Next one is honesty is the
The
best policy.
best policy. Honesty is the
What is superlative here?
best is the superlative here.
Best is the super good, better, best. Third form, the is used before superlative.
Okay.
Can you give me any
In
example?
yes, yes, I would say
So if I give you the word poor, what is the last form of
poor,
poor?
poorest.
Superlative.
Yes, earlier actually there are the Indians are so poorest in some
Hmm.
areas.
The
In some
poorest,
the
not so.
poorest.
We are using
Sorry,
the
sorry.
before the superlatives, right?
Okay.
Indians are the poorest compared to the other
Other countries.
under countries. Give me another example with shortest.
Shortest.
Short, shorter, shortest.
Yes, I would say there are some markets in our city which is shortest
The shortest.
as compared the shortest. Actually, sometimes we use the or sometimes we call as a the.
The and the. So sometimes
Yes.
see. Now both are correct pronunciation. It depends on the tense. Okay.
Okay.
You sometimes you can say the shortest or the shortest. Both are correct. It depends on how people use it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
It
So
depends
it
upon
varies
people. Both
according
are
to the
correct here.
sentence. Yes, both are correct.
Okay. Okay.
The shortest will also do. The shortest, it is used in the same form, but because of the tense, we say the shortest.
Yes. Yes. Correct.
What about? Okay, let's take one more example. Thinnest, thinnest.
Thinnest. Yes, I would say water is thinnest than other.
But you are not using the anywhere. You have to remember to use the before the superlatives.
Right. Right.
He is the thinnest boy in the class.
Yes, he is the thinnest boy in the class.
Okay, now you're forgetting to use the, so you have to learn to use the with before the superlatives. Okay,
Right.
now the third form is before specific objects. Specific objects means if I'm saying bring the red file from the room, I want to go to sorry, I want the ketchup, the red ketchup, or the Maggie ketchup. I'm talking about specific things, objects. That time you will use the. Can you give
Yes.
me some examples of specific objects?
Like specific objects with the
Yes,
use of
any
the.
objects. Yes. If you say, I want to keep the file in the blue cupboard.
Okay.
Okay. Let me give you some example. The blue cupboard. You make the sentence with that. This is a
The.
specific object now.
Okay. The blue cupboard.
Make a
Actually,
sentence with that.
I would say, I want to open one shop with the blue cupboard.
With the blue
No,
cupboards.
with blue cupboard.
Okay, there is not one cupboard, there are many. Okay, now say about the red book. You're talking about specific things now.
Yes,
Yeah, make a
the red
sentence with
book.
that. The
Yes,
red book.
yes. I want to cover my book with
I
the
want to buy the red
red
book.
book cover, red book wallpaper.
I didn't get
I
what you
want to
say.
buy the red book.
I want to buy the red book. I want
I
to buy
was,
the red
I
book.
was, I want to, yes, I
Yes.
want to buy the red book. Yeah, either I
Okay, now
want to
next object is.
buy the book with
Hmm.
red book wallpaper.
Yes, now next one is the bottle.
The bottle is so lucky for me.
The
Lucky, lucky.
lucky. The bottle is lucky for me. Okay, now you're
Yes,
talking about specific object. You can also
yes,
talk about specific groups. What are specific groups, like elderly group, okay, or old age group, or maybe the teachers group, or maybe the managers group? So we are talking about specific groups. So if I say that this place belongs to the elderly group, I'm talking about specific group. That time also I use the. Okay.
right.
And next thing is specific high positions. High position means maybe a manager, principal, CEO. I want to meet the CEO. I
Yes.
want to meet the principal. High posts. Okay. This is
Okay.
the
So
third.
we also use the highest profile like the
Yes,
CEO, the principal. Okay.
correct. So first one is the specific objects. Okay. Second one is the specific groups of people.
Okay. Specific groups of people,
Yes, specific groups of
specific
people.
objects,
And the third thing is specific high positions.
specific. Actually,
Specific.
if I want to improve such grammatical skills, like what should I do for that?
See, now I have taught you the articles today. We are not
Yes.
done yet, but for you just have to focus one at a time. For example, today you learned about articles. Try to make as many sentences as you can with the.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
there,
Yes.
on Google also there are many worksheets on
Right.
articles. Try to solve them on daily
Okay.
basis until and unless you are not confident about it, so that you can, when you solve those worksheets, then only you can ask the doubts to me,
Okay.
isn't it?
So
Because
it
until and
it
unless you
will
do it
also work in
practically.
while speaking. Actually,
Hmm.
once we
Yes,
give
while
any
speaking
worksheets,
also. Yes, when the grammar is clear with you, then only you will be able to put in sentence. Right now your problem is that the structure of sentences is incorrect.
right,
When
right.
I,
You are
yes,
saying
when you
correct.
were speaking, so that time you add unnecessary words in the beginning, which is not good, right? So
Right.
for that you have to follow the structure, which is subject verb agreement, subject verb object. So first you have to understand the rule of sentences. Once you understand the rules, then get into that practically to first organize the sentences, then understand how did the come there, get into articles, how did helping verbs come there. So you just focus one at a time.
Yes. Yes. We
Okay,
can't
so
escape that without the grammar. We can speak well. We can't escape.
without,
I think.
see,
I guess.
any language that you choose, you cannot do well in that unless and until your grammar is strong. Okay, so first you have to work on your grammar. and then you will become fluent speaker.
Right.
Okay, even if you know 1,000 words, but if you don't know how to put them in a sentence, then there is no use, right? So that's why you have to follow the worksheets. And I want to give you some tips, that is, please try to listen to some fables.
Okay, Pulse. What did you say?
Fables are short stories.
Okay.
Okay, from this you will learn the sentence structure, pronunciations, vocabulary, and critical thinking. So every day one story is must. Do this for 3 to 6 months daily
Okay.
without fail, and you will be able to conquer your fear of speaking in English.
Speaking English.
Okay,
Short
there are
stories like the children used to use,
yes, they listen
like
to stories.
listen.
Fables are short stories, moral based stories, very short
Right.
stories, 2-minute stories.
Okay.
Watch
Okay.
them and try to take vocabulary from them, look at the sentence structure, understand the pronunciations.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so
Definitely.
I think that today we have done only half of the
Grammatic.
articles.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, so I am not able to complete that full topic today because it's lengthy one. Maybe next time I will complete the articles, and then you will be able to focus on that. Try
Yes.
to
Sure.
solve
Sure.
some worksheets on Google. You will
Okay.
find lots of worksheets. Okay,
Yes.
so try
Definitely.
to
I
do
will try.
that. Yes,
Thank.
apart from that, good effect, like you can become an effective speaker because you have that potential.